Taquerias Guadalajara is a Mexican restaurant. Guadalajara is the cradle that saw the Calderon brothers being born. Taquerias Guadalajara started in 1979, like most dreams with passion and dedication. Polo Calderon was able to make this dream a reality by selling his tacos on the streets of downtown Santa Ana. He had a mission to serve the community with his delicious Mexican food. With high ambition and hard work, he was able to open multiple locations. Finally reaching the American dream, the Calderon family is dedicated to keep his legacy alive and to serve the best Mexican food. This place offers many of us who miss Mexico, as well as those who have yet to experience it, a taste of authentic Mexican cuisine. They serve traditional tortas ahogadas, made with a genuine birrote or bolillo, an exclusive bread from Guadalajara, Jalisco, that many of us love. It's fantastic that this restaurant takes you on a journey through the true flavors of Mexico. The original taste of the salsas, tacos, and tortas create a delightful experience celebrating our culture for everyone in the USA. Come and savor every bite of our food, made especially for you. Established in 1979, the goal is for the city of Santa Ana to introduce those who haven't yet had the opportunity to savor an exceptional culinary experience, allowing them to connect with their culture and homeland through its flavors. Because it's not just food, it's a hug for the soul. It's the place where you'll find traditional, authentic Guadalajara dishes, where you can eat the best tortas, try street tacos, and savor pozole and menudo, especially that salsa made with a Mexican recipe. It's a place located in downtown Santa Ana on 4th Street, surrounded by art, where you can have a great time. You'll also find that Taqueria Guadalajara offers catering. Don't miss out on adding that Mexican flavor to your gatherings and parties. Taquerias Guadalajara. This listing is brought to you by our Santa Ana. We help connect you with real people, real service, and real neighbors.